In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a video in Canva with music. We'll walk through the full process, from starting your project to exporting it as an MP4. So you can share a polished video with a soundtrack you love. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to look for video. You can begin with a blank video canvas or choose a ready-made template that matches your style. Templates are great if you want a quick layout with pre-designed scenes and text you can always swap in your own visuals. Next, add your visuals. Head to the Uploads tab on the left and bring in your video clips and images. Once they're uploaded, simply drag them down onto the timeline at the bottom. Arrange them in the order you want your story to unfold. To tighten your pacing, trim a clip by dragging its edges on the timeline until the action starts and ends right where you want it. Shorter, purposeful clips usually keep viewers more engaged. So don't hesitate to trim generously. Play the preview to check flow as you go. Now, let's add music. On the left-hand panel, click Elements. Then use the search bar to look for audio or music. Browse through Canva's library of free and pro tracks, or upload your own audio if you already have a song picked out. When you find a track that fits the mood, click it or drag it onto the timeline beneath your video clips. This places the music on its own audio layer. Time to edit your audio for a clean, professional sound. Click the music track on the timeline to reveal options. Lower the volume so it sits under your visuals rather than overpowering them. Background music often works best a bit softer. Add a gentle fade in at the start and a fade out at the end to avoid abrupt cutoffs. If you need to remove a section or time the beat to a scene change, use the split tool. You can also drag the music left or right to align its start perfectly with the right moment in your video. If you'd like, enhance your project with extras. Use the text tool to add titles or credits. Keep text concise and high contrast for readability. For smoother storytelling, add transitions between clips, simple cuts, or subtle fades often look the most polished. When you are happy with everything, click the Share button, select Download, and choose MP4 format. Canva will render your video and save it to your device. Ready to post or send. Thanks for watching.